Good afternoon everybody and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat and a rinse. We have a whole property clean to do today. We have a 2-stage job broken down into 5 parts. We have one stage which is this side, which is this path we have to clean here, and then this patio area we also need to give a clean. And then as I walk around this patio, you can see some patches are worse than others. We've got some lichen, some spots, some mold, some algae. It's very slippy underfoot. In the distance there you can sort of make out the sea. We're in a lovely part of the world today. We're in Lyme Regis in West Dorset, located on the Jurassic coast if you're familiar. It's a lovely part of the world. It's dubbed as the Pearl of Dorset, and it is truly a wonderful place. As you can see, this person takes pride in their garden. It's nice, lots of nice plants, but they've neglected the patio a little bit. They need a bit of a clean, so they've called us in. Let's give the side, the front and the back a freshen up, some TLC, and get a look in a much better condition. So as we walk down this path here, we walk around the back of the garden, across the grass, around to these steps again, in need of some TLC. It's Indian sandstone that we're cleaning today. We're going to use obviously a pressure washing, some soft washing to get the place clean. You can see some bits are worse than others. This side is a bit worse than the rear. But when we finish, it should look lovely again. And then finally we come round this corner. We've got one more path, some block paving to clean also. Little walk through. Remind ourselves of the before pictures so we don't forget how bad it was. And then let's not delay, let's get started. guys, as you can see, this patio's come up really nice, looking lovely. Remind ourselves of the before and afters. Loads better, loads improved, it's looking much nicer. And then we're going to move around to the other side, the other stage. The customer's very happy. This other side was a little bit more challenging, obviously the steps, to be a little bit careful. They come up really nice, as you can see already. Getting rid of all the algae, the green. Really bring back the colours. The customer said he'd forgotten how pretty it was. What prompted the call was he was looking through some old photographs, getting a bit nostalgic. When looking through the old photos, he reminded himself how colourful they was. So he gave us a call to restore them back to their original colour. That's all the stages now finished. We'll have a little look at this side and then we'll have a final walk through. So you can before and afters are much nicer. We have a nice little final tour so we can see the difference on the video. As you can see, this pavement's loads better, all the weeds removed from the joints. The customer's opted to come back and fix these up himself, so any re-sanding, any re-pointing. Obviously save himself some funds there. Going to put the time and effort in and get those bits sorted, but it looks so much nicer, so much better. Again, once it's dried out, it looks even better again. Sadly, we can't always get an after photo when dry. This was one I would have liked to have got a dry photo of. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Here are my details if you need. Give us a call, drop us an email, click the links to see more videos, and we'll see you at the next job.